Hey guys, this is John from waltonsinc.com and this is Meatgistics. So we made some roast beef here the other day and we wanted to make roast beef sandwiches and we wanted some good homemade bread to make with that. So Austin has a bread maker at home. He brought it in and we decided to make a loaf of bread, but we added the sun-dried tomato basil seasoning to it and it was phenomenal. We weren't planning on making this video, but we just had to share the recipe with you guys. For anyone with a bread maker at home, this is definitely worth doing. All it was water, sugar, flour, butter, salt, and an active dry yeast. We added some low-fat dry milk to one batch and not to the other. It didn't seem to make a difference. They were both excellent. We then put the roast beef on and we used our pesto and our bacon aiolis, and oh, it was so good. For the full recipe and all the instructions, I'll list that on the Meatgistics article and put a link to it down below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with waltonsinc.com, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.